Bobby, here for the Yo-Yo Adventure for the Webelos and Arrow of Light rank. In your adventure box, you'll find a yo-yo, and we'll be using this to complete requirements 2 through 7. First, for requirement 2, you're going to ensure that the string is the right size for your scout by holding the rope at your belly button and making sure it does not hit the floor. If the string is too long, retie the loop at the end. To begin using your yo-yo, you're going to want to tie a slip knot on the end of the rope just above the middle knuckle. For requirement 5, have your scout create a pendulum. You can do this by holding the end of the string and swinging the yo-yo left to right. Explain that each time the yo-yo goes left to right and back again, it is called a period. Now have your scout create another pendulum by holding the yo-yo string in different spots. Compare the length of the period while using a longer or shorter pendulum swing. For requirement 6, have your scout wind up the yo-yo. Now for the tricks, requirement 7. For this requirement, your scout will need to learn and demonstrate the gravity pull, the sleeper, and the breakaway. The gravity pull is when the yo-yo goes down and automatically comes back up. To perform the sleeper trick, the yo-yo should remain at the bottom of the string until your scout pulls it up. The last trick is the breakaway, which is when the yo-yo goes down and around and back into your hand. More information on these tricks can be found at the video link in the written instructions. To complete the rest of this adventure, you'll have to do requirement 1. Requirement 1 asks for you to explain to your scout the safety rules while using a yo-yo. By doing all of these activities, you will have completed the yo-yo adventure. If you guys had fun, make sure to share your scout's experience by using #CACImpact on any social media.